We'll guide you through how to download songs from Spotify on your PC or Mac. If you find this guide useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. First of all, go to the top left of Snapchat and go and press on your Bitmoji just like this. Then go and scroll down this profile or account page like this and go to the right of My Stories and click on New Story like this. And then as you can see, we then have got the option for New Private Story. So then what you can do is go and click there. And you can then choose who you want to go and be able to go and see your story. You can go and change this and remove or add people later. So let's go and say I want these people to go and see it. Then I can go and give it a name, for example, hello. And then once you're ready, click on create story. And just like that, you've now made your private story. Now let's take a picture just like so. And then all you need to do is go and click on stories at the bottom. Then what you can do is go and select the private story you just made. For me, I just made hello, just like that. And I can press on add snap, then press send. And we've now gone and uploaded it just like that. And if you go to the top left of Snapchat and go and press on the story preview, we can go and scroll down, and as you can see, we can see the story with a little padlock showing it's private. If you found this useful, then please leave a like.